Hi there! Welcome to Fun to Fluent English.
Repeat. Say something. Say something. Usage examples. Say something. He said yes without hesitation. Don't forget to say goodbye before you leave. He will say something at the meeting. I didn't say anything because I was too shocked. Can you say your name for the camera? Can you say a few words about this issue? Repeat. Say that. Say that. Usage examples. Say that. He says that his son is sick. She says that she will come tomorrow. You say that you are tired, but you look fine. Repeat. Say something to someone. Say something to someone. Usage examples. Say something to someone. Can you say that to me again? I said hello to the new neighbor. They said goodbye to their family before leaving. She said nothing to him about the incident. Repeat. Tell. Usage examples. Tell. I won't tell. Do tell. Repeat. Tell someone. Tell someone. Usage examples. Tell someone. I need to tell her the truth. You should tell your husband how you feel. Can you tell John about the meeting? It's hard to tell your boss bad news. Repeat. Tell someone that. Tell someone that. Usage examples. Tell someone that. Can you tell her that I called? She didn't tell him that she was leaving. They told me that the meeting was canceled. Repeat. Tell someone to do something. Tell someone to do something. Usage examples. tell someone to do something. We told them to be quiet. She told me to call her tomorrow. He told her to finish the report by Monday. Repeat. Talk. Talk. Usage examples. Talk. Let's talk about your plans for the future. They talk as if they know everything. Don't just talk about it, do it! Repeat. Talk to someone. Talk to someone. Usage examples. Talk to someone. I need to talk to you about something important. She refused to talk to him after the argument. Can you talk to the manager about this issue? He often talks to his dog. They talk to each other until late at night. Repeat. Talk with someone. Talk with someone. Usage examples. Talk with someone. I talk with my parents every day. Let's talk with the team and find a solution. She would rather talk with her friends than study. Repeat. Speak. Speak. Usage examples. Speak. She will speak at the conference tomorrow. We need to speak about your performance. Repeat. Speak to someone. Speak to someone. Usage examples. Speak to someone. Can I speak to the manager, please? I need to speak to you about something important. You should speak to a lawyer before making a decision. Repeat. Speak a language. Speak a language. Usage examples. Speak a language. Do you speak English? I speak 3 languages. He doesn't speak French. They speak English at home. We speak the same language. How many languages do you speak? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.